Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to slide notes like all the pros, and this trick works in any DAW with absolutely any synth plugin or sampler and on any instrument, whether it's a lead, bass, chords, or anything you could really imagine. And in this video I will be showing you how to do this trick on different synth plugins and samplers. Make sure to check out my brand new free and paid packs for XFER Serum in the description below. My goal with these packs was to make sounds so good that it eliminates the need to have to go and buy really expensive synths like Nexus 3, Omnisphere, and VPS Avenger. I figured since most of us have XFER Serum that we should have a sound bank available to us with melodic electronic sounds that are as good as any other synth out there. Alright guys, so I want you to listen to the bass in this drop. Here's another drop where I did some bending on the lead. Mom! What? Can you be quiet for a little while? No! So step one to getting a hot bass bend is you have to turn on mono legato. Quick pause, I want to let you guys know that I'm using Serum to generate this sound here, but there is mono legato and portamento speed switches on any synth or sampler. All you have to do is locate those parameters. And what this does is it allows us to not be able to play two notes at once on the piano roll. Mind you, this is the same idea for any piano roll in any DAW. So if I play these two notes here, they will not play at the same time. They will just bend to the note that's overlapping on top. So does that mean that this note can't bend downward? No, because this note is starting after this note starts. So watch this. To adjust the speed on your bass bends or lead bends or any bend, that's going to be the portamento speed. So every synth has a mono legato engagement switch here. And if we turn those on, now it's set to bend. But how fast do we want it to bend? If we go really fast, it's not really going to sound like a bend. It's going to sound like more of a transition. So if we slow this up, it has more life to it and more character to it. Let's go to another synth and another type of sound. This is an 808 bass line here. And we're using Sylenth 1. And the reason I wanted to use Sylenth 1 is just to show you how on different synths it might look different, but the same words are there. Mono legato, we have that switched on, and then we have our portamento speed somewhere toward the center, which will allow us to hear the bend because it'll be slow enough for us to hear. Now if we slow this up, same thing's going to happen. It just kind of switched down to that low note, it didn't bend to it. So this trick will also work with any sampler that you use, doesn't matter what DAW you're using. In the Logic sampler, we have this, and my lead that I made here, I remade the Martin Garrix in the Name of Love lead. It sounds like this. So you can see on this first phrase here, there's a little bit of bending, and so the way we edit the bending is the same thing. We have to find those words, mono, legato, and glide speed or portamento. So if we click synth up here, we click details, we can adjust our glide speed here, and then we could also select what mode we want. Do we want multiple notes to be able to be played at once? No, this is a lead and we want it to bend. So anytime we have to bend it, it can either be in mono or legato or both. And it's up to you to decide what one you like the best. I like the sound of legato by itself at a speed of 160 milliseconds. Alright guys, so that's the easiest way to add gliding to your notes. Gliding adds a lot of character and a lot of movement to your drop, so definitely try it out. If you would like to learn more about sound design, melody writing, and chord writing, and every element of music production for that matter, come join me in my EDM Bootcamp. My EDM Bootcamp is not just a course, but it is an entire back-end mastermind group where you can get unlimited feedback on your tracks from me and the other students in the course. and take advantage of unlimited networking opportunities. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, check out the EDM Bootcamp using the link at the top of the description below, and I'll see you in there.